Kiki, a curious adventurer, skipped through a vibrant, whimsical forest. Sunlight dappled through oversized, glowing leaves. She hummed a cheerful, adventurous tune. Suddenly, her path ended abruptly at a wide chasm. A deep, mysterious gorge stretched before her. The narrator's voice boomed. "Behold, the invisible bridge!" Kiki blinked, seeing only empty air. The narrator continued, "Only the bravest and most clever can cross." Kiki's eyes widened with a spark of challenge. She peered into the seemingly vacant space. No visible path, just shimmering, empty air. A determined twinkle lit her bright, curious eyes. Her brow furrowed in playful concentration. She took a tentative, cautious step forward, her foot dangling precariously over the abyss. A gasp escaped her lips, exaggerated for effect. The bridge was truly, utterly invisible. She pulled her foot back, a playful frown on her face. The narrator chuckled. "A tricky challenge indeed." Kiki put her hands on her hips, thinking hard. Her vibrant outfit contrasted with the deep chasm. Bright, whimsical colors surrounded the scene. Kiki's expressions shifted from confusion to excitement. A mischievous grin slowly spread across her face. She tapped her chin thoughtfully, a plan forming. The narrator's voice softened. "How will Kiki solve this?" He encouraged young viewers to ponder her next move. Kiki looked left, then right. Scanning the edges, her mind raced, buzzing with creative ideas. She bounced on her toes, anticipation building. The challenge was daunting, but not impossible. Kiki clapped her hands together, a sudden realization. A wide, joyful smile lit up her face. She pointed at the empty space with a flourish. The narrator whispered, "She's got an idea." Kiki's eyes sparkled with ingenious mischief. She looked directly at the camera, winking playfully. The wind gently rustled her colorful hair. The chasm remained, a silent, invisible barrier. But Kiki's spirit was undeterred, full of glee. She took a deep breath, ready for adventure. Her next move would reveal the secret. The narrator's voice boomed again. "Get ready!" Kiki's excitement was palpable, almost contagious. She prepared for her ingenious solution. The invisible bridge awaited its revelation. Kiki stood poised, a true adventurer. Her journey was just beginning. She reached into her small, colorful backpack. A tiny, sparkling pouch emerged from within. She untied the string with nimble fingers. A puff of vibrant, glittery powder appeared. Kiki held it high, a triumphant grin. She took a deep, dramatic breath. Then, with a mighty puff, she blew the powder. The glittery dust cascaded over the chasm, slowly, magically. A shimmering path emerged. The invisible bridge was now faintly visible. Kiki gasped in delight, clapping her hands. Her clever plan had worked perfectly. Kiki pondered the invisible challenge, a spark igniting in her eyes. A mischievous grin spread across her face, a plan forming. She rummaged through her adventure pack with determination. First, a large, brightly colored bucket emerged. It sloshed with vibrant, washable blue paint. Next, a small burlap bag tied with string. Inside, sparkly, non-toxic flour shimmered softly. Kiki held them aloft, a triumphant glint in her gaze. She approached the empty space where the bridge should be. With a playful giggle, she scooped a handful of flour. She tossed it high into the air, a white cloud blooming. The flower settled, revealing a faint, shimmering outline. A small section of the invisible bridge became visible. Kiki clapped her hands, delighted by her discovery. She dipped a brush into the blue paint. A bold stroke, a splash of color landed, marking another segment. She splattered more paint, creating a dotted path. The narrator's voice boomed, praising her ingenuity. Kiki's movements became more exaggerated, almost a dance. She twirled, flinging flour and paint with abandon. Each throw unveiled a new, colorful piece of the bridge. A mosaic of rainbow hues began to stretch across the gap. Yellow, green, pink, and orange joined the blue. The bridge was no longer invisible, but a vibrant artwork. Kiki carefully placed one foot onto the first painted section. Her step was exaggerated, a comedic tiptoe. She giggled, feeling the solid, unseen surface beneath. Another step, another splash of color, another giggle. The narrator cheered her on, encouraging her progress. Kiki's confidence grew with each revealed segment. She bounced playfully, leaving colorful footprints. The bridge transformed into a joyful painted pathway. She reached the halfway point, looking back proudly. The once empty chasm now pulsed with Kiki's creativity. She continued her colorful journey, paint and flower flying. Her laughter echoed, a sound of pure, unadulterated joy. The final section of the bridge appeared, brightly marked. Kiki took a triumphant, exaggerated leap to the other side. She landed softly, a wide, victorious smile on her face. The invisible bridge was now a masterpiece of her making. Kiki threw her arms up, celebrating her cleverness. She performed a joyful, energetic dance of victory. Her movements were big, bold, and full of exuberance. The narrator applauded her, highlighting her perseverance. Kiki showed that impossible tasks can be overcome. A little creativity and a lot of fun were key. She winked at the audience, her mission accomplished. The brightly painted bridge shimmered in the sunlight. A gentle breeze rustled Kiki's colorful hair. She took a deep, satisfied breath, surveying her work. The chasm, once daunting, now seemed less intimidating. Her adventure pack lay discarded, its contents used. Kiki picked up a stray paintbrush, still dripping blue. She painted a final flourish-like stroke in the air. The narrator's voice softened, full of admiration. Kiki proved that imagination is a powerful tool. She looked back at the bridge, a rainbow in the void. Her eyes sparkled with the thrill of accomplishment. She waved goodbye to the camera, a happy, tired hero. The vibrant bridge remained, a testament to Kiki's spirit.